The newspaper that makes the world greener. Green newspaper. Global warming, stress, air pollution. Many problems in the world can be solved through greening. The MAINICHI newspapers developed the green newspaper to increase the amount of green in the world. Step 1. Understanding. Read newspaper articles and understand global issues. Step 2. Action. After reading the articles, plant the newspaper. Step 3. Greening. Since the green newspaper is printed on special paper infused with plant seeds, it turns into greenery. The green newspaper was published on Greenery Day. Reached more than 4.6 million people. The green newspaper spread all over Japan in the world's first greening project using a newspaper. We also gave lessons about environmental issues in schools using the green newspaper. Over 80 million yen worth of PR. This unique endeavor by the MAINICHI newspapers was covered extensively in media and generated a PR effect beyond newspapers alone. New business opportunities. Clients supported the greening events using the green newspaper. It was a successful new business opportunity for the newspaper publisher. From a newspaper that people only read to media for action. The newspaper that makes the world greener. Green newspaper.